Super achievers, how are you all? Mistakes. We all make mistakes in our life because from mistakes से हम लोग learn करते हैं. Then next time you do not make that mistake. अगर same mistake हम repeat कर रहे हैं, then either we are knowingly making that mistake or we are unaware. हमको पता नहीं कि क्या learn किया. तो आज हम लोग देखेंगे what are the 7 biggest mistakes the students do and ruin their future. 7 biggest mistakes. And if you have आपका एक चलेगा mindset है, you are in the flow, जो कुछ हो रहा है ठीक है, अच्छा हो रहा है तो ठीक है, बुरा हो रहा है तो ठीक है. That means you don't have a big dream. You are happy with whatever it is happening with you. You are not taking any massive actions, nothing else. So avoid this chalega mindset. So before going to our topic, welcome to my channel @Pratap Harichandan, in the bracket the 6th sense PH, जहां हम लोग सुपर अचीवर्स बनाते हैं. सुपर अचीवर्स. अगर आपको बनना है सुपर अचीवर, then join with us to live a life of joyful life, purposeful life and rich life. So let us dive into today's topic. आज का जो टॉपिक है, the 7 mistakes that students do which ruin their life. पहला जो मिस्टेक है वो है चूजिंग परफेक्शन ओवर प्रोग्रेस. परफेक्शन क्या है कि सब चीज whatever you required for, let us take an example. स्टडीज के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए आपको? जनरली इनिशियल थिंग, रिसोर्स, योर बुक्स, पेन, कॉपीज, whatever, नोट्स, those things. And if you think that कि मेरे पास एक स्मार्टफोन होना चाहिए, एक लैपटॉप होना चाहिए एंड ईयरफोन होना चाहिए, those things. Smartphones like I should have iPhone. No. Whatever resources you have, start with that. Take action with that. Then only you can measure your progress. And gradually everything will come to you and you see. So don't be perfectionist. Always. Perfection is a perception. एक just mind में है. एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. You know movie Sole. मैं एक वीडियो देख रहा था जो बोल रहे थे कि उन्होंने शोले का जो रमेश सिप्पी साहब है उनको पूछा कि हाउ डिड यू मेक सच ए ग्रेट फिल्म. तो इट वाज एक्चुअली वेरी व्हाट आश्चर्य का क्वेश्चन आंसर था. उन्होंने बोला हम लोग को पता नहीं है, वी जस्ट गो ऑन टेकिंग एक्शंस एंड बनते गया, फिल्म बनते गया. तो इसलिए नोइंग टेकिंग एक्शन इज 100%. Taking action is 100% better than knowing. Always. Don't be a perfectionist. Second mistake है studying harder, not smarter. आपको सब चीज पता है. The smart techniques of study, अगर आपको पता नहीं, you go through many videos are available in internet, YouTube. Use smart technique for your studies. Like some of the study technique क्या क्या है? एक है Pomodoro technique, space repetition and your active recall. Pomodoro technique क्या है? Focusly study for 25 minutes, take break 5 minutes. That means there is no distraction. You are switching off your mobile phones, laptop, everything. Only pen, books, notes, copies. 25 minutes, 5 minutes break, 25 minutes, 5 minutes break, 25 minutes, 5 minutes break. 4 times, for 2 hours you can study at a stretch with complete focused. Space repetition. That means you have to repeat the same thing, whatever you studied before going to the bed. Give some time to revise whatever you studied. Also you visualize, because with visualization before going to bed, whatever you studied, just review it. क्या क्या mistake आपने किया, that you can recall, and you can register those mistakes and learn from there and don't do the same mistake again. And active recall हो गया same thing. Space repetition भी same thing है. Active recall means you have to visualize. Space repetition means with a break you have to again revise. First day, first chapter. Second day you give some time. Third day also you give some time. Fourth day also give some time. That is space repetition. Third mistake है ignoring your health and sleep. And this is a scientifically proved. जो लोग 6-7 घंटा sleep करते हैं, 6 to 7 hours, they perform well than others. It is scientifically proved. So plan your study time, play time, and sleep time. Don't study late night or browse your mobiles for games late night. The best time is sleep time is 10 or 11 to 5, like that. 10 to 5 or 11 to 6. This is the best time, sleep time. Fourth mistake, overconfidence without preparation. You just imagine, overconfidence मतलब आपको कुछ चीज पता है, जस्ट गेस कर रहे हैं कि ये चीज पता है, ये चीज पता है, एंड यू आर ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट. जब एग्जाम हॉल में गया, टोटल इट इज ब्लैंक. इट इज ब्लैंक, कुछ नहीं करता है आपने द वे यू वांट. सो प्रिपरेशन इज द only thing which make you confident. Be well prepared and be confident, not overconfident. Overconfidence also, when you are prepared well and you are overconfident, there also you miss. So be confident. This way you can avoid overconfidence with preparation. Fifth है comparing with others. सबको ही करते हैं. I also compare, but when I compare, उसका बाद सोचता हूँ कि why I am comparing. Everyone is different. Whatever they are doing, they are thinking something else. Their circumstances are different. A lot of things are different. Why I am seeing others and becoming what? Feeling yourself down, that you are something you are missing, like FOMO. You are creating FOMO inside you. Feeling of missing out. कुछ हमने छोड़ दिया इसलिए मैं पीछे हूँ. Why? Such things are coming up. Please don't compare yourself with others. You are unique, super achiever. क्या करना चाहिए? Focus on yourself. What you can take actions. Take massive actions. Measure your progress and celebrate your small wins. जो भी छोटा छोटा चीज आप अचीव करते हैं, celebrate. And one day you will celebrate your big win with all. Whom do you want to celebrate? Sixth mistake है prioritizing entertainment or fun over future. As a student or individual, those who are building their career, आपका priority क्या है? To reach your big dream? Through what? Whatever you are in the field, like you are academically want to perform well, or sports, athletics, or music, dance, anything. Prioritize that. Not that fun means there will be groups, students, they are making fun over studies or future, and they will enjoy their life. As you sow, so you reap. It's clear. So take care about this, which you want to prioritize. Otherwise, it is gone case. Seventh, the last one is relying on only motivation. This is a motivational video. You are knowing your mistakes, how to overcome this. But after seeing this motivational video, you will be taking action for 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, 1 month. Then चलेगा, देखेंगे, चलेगा mindset again comes. बहुत हो गया, उसको देखेंगे बाद में. Your action is, you are not taking action. Then what will happen? It's gone. So consistency is the key. You see, I am giving my example. You see how my videos are improving day by day, that I feel. You see my first video and today's video, the development that is taking place, my screen presence, the way I'm talking, the way I'm representing myself. See, for taking to make one video, how many shots I take, around 3-4 shots. Earlier it was 15, 16, 20 shots. Now it is gradually reduced because consistently I am doing this video. Every week I am making around 5 to 6 videos, including short and long type of videos. Always keep it in mind. Consistency is the key. So your dream life starts now. Make a plan. Today night, what you will do? What actions you are going to take? three goals, make small three goals and see the actions, take the actions, achieve that goal and celebrate your wins. And gradually it will improve. And those mistakes, whatever we discussed, you will overcome those. So achieve mistakes and be a super achiever. Let us build a community of super achievers and show the world that I am a super achiever living a life of joyful, purposeful, and rich life. Okay, if you like this video, share my video, punch the bell icon, and subscribe to my channel. Anything you want more, please write to me so that I can make videos on those subjects or any help that you require. My what this channel is dedicated for your development only. I am a global career builder, building super achievers. My aim is to mentor 10 million students worldwide. All the love, all the power.